اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد رسولنا النبي الأمي المبعوث رحمة للعالمين، خاتم الأنبياء والمرسلين، نور هذه الأمة وضياؤها وشفيعنا يوم الحساب.
Fairburn. Captain says we'll be surfacing in 5. Clear on your orders?
We wait for air cover from our boys in the RAF. Once they start their raid, we use the distraction break on the beach. Your team destroys the coastal defenses to the west. I neutralize the defenses here, and proceed inland to rendezvous with Blue Viper at the safe house in town.
As quietly as possible. I don't want to come back to the beach and find the place crawling with Germans. If they spot the sub before you blow those guns, me and my team will be stuck here.
I can do quiet.
You'd better. All right, that's our cue. Okay, Fairburn. There are the searchlights. Show me what you can do. We aren't landing with those searchlights up. Take them out.
Won't be a problem. Should scout the shoreline with binoculars. Spot my targets.
Just one left. Take them down. Nice shot. I'll get my men ready. You secure the beachhead. We'll follow when everything's clear.
All right. See you on the other side, Sullivan. Got to secure the beachhead. Make the landing zone safe for the Rangers. Better get to it. Going to have to go. Prone to get ahead. Should be able to climb my way up there. Get a good vantage point down on the beach. That's all. Don't give away my position.
Macht man mal
Should take him
eine
down
kleine Pause
quietly.
Und plötzlich explodiert der Himmel. Warum gönnen uns die verdammten Alliierten zur Abwechslung nicht mal eine ruhige Nacht?
He'll be part of a patrol. Should keep to the shadows. Don't want to get caught out.
Beckendorf hatte die richtige Idee. Geben wir ihnen verdammt nochmal was, worüber sie sauer sein können. Beckendorf hatte die richtige Idee. Geben wir ihnen verdammt... Sie müssen es irgendwo versteckt haben. Bestimmt haben sie es noch nicht über den Kanal transportiert. Wir müssen weitersuchen.
Officer's likely to have something important on him. Should check the body. Military papers. Should have a look, see what's going on here. According to this, the SS captured a resistance cell in the town last week. It must be Blue Viper's network. Got to secure my contact. Can't just leave them to die if they've been captured.
Ganz schön zäh. Aber er besorgt bestimmt die...
Hoffentlich.
Mach dir keine allzu großen Hoffnungen. Wir müssen noch die Waffen aus ihren Verstecken holen. Das dauert.
Wie bitte?
Think I've grabbed all I can.
Was für eine Aussicht. Sowas...
That'll be where they're holding the resistance. Got to get past these Nazis and get inside.
Clint scheint sich sein Pfund Fleisch zu holen. Es könnte alles vorbei sein, wenn sie nur reden würden.
Rifle. No scope. Keeps things interesting.
Müssen wir etwa noch mehr Gräber ausheben? Warum machen die das eigentlich nicht selbst? Die sterben doch sowieso.
Je eher sie brechen, desto eher ist es vorbei. Die sollen uns doch einfach endlich sagen... Was? Oh! Ah!
Got to get in there before it's too late. Charlie?
Thanks. I just needed a distraction.
The weather in Ostend is better this time of year.
But France has better food. You're my contact. You're the desert ghost. I should have known.
Good to see you, Blue Viper.
Yeah, Leo chose that code name, not me. But they found us anyway, in spite of all the codes.
Betrayed?
Maybe. I think so. I can't be sure. They tried to make us talk, and when we wouldn't, my God, they killed the whole town, everyone. All thanks to a bastard named Moller. They split us up. Some of my men might still be alive. Somewhere in this place. We have to...
I'll find him. You're in no shape to fight. Where can we meet?
All right, you win. The safe house is blown. There's a farmhouse just north of the town.
I'll find it.
One more thing. One of my men, Marcel, he hid information in a loose panel under his bed. The key for it was sewn into the hem of his trousers. They may not have found him yet. Look for the house with the yellow brickwork. Ugliest thing in the village. You can't miss it.
Got it.
It is good to see you again.
You too, old friend. Not much more to go now. Target's nearly in sight.
Nichts. Sie haben bestimmt irgendwo was versteckt. Die haben uns ja nicht mit Mistgabeln angegriffen. Verdammte Partisanen! Gebt auf!
This would be a good place to check my weapons before hitting the field. Stock up on supplies as well. Can retool my gear at any other workbench. Is that fine? Should keep an eye out. Keep my loadout on point for the job.
Achtung! Alle Geschütze auf Zielraster H9! Reichweite 380!
Kommandotrupps vernichtet! Zurück auf die Stationen! Und wachsam bleiben!
Nazi bastards. That radar tower is still operational. There's the radar. Looks like the air raid didn't take it out. I'll have to do this the old-fashioned way. stay here. They'll find me. Nothing else.
Wir haben doch unsere Funkgeräte und können mit jedem reden.
Ja, aber die Alliierten können die Signale empfangen. Siehst du das Problem nicht?
Du meinst, sie können uns abhören? Habe ich nie dran gedacht.
Das ist dein Problem. Du denkst nicht.
You're lucky I was feeling non-lethal. If I plant explosives on the radar's pillars, I should be able to bring it down. Maybe I can find some in the Germans' ammo crates. Violets. Must be Plan Violet. Take out local communications. Forces the Nazis onto the radio, and Bletchley can listen to every little thing they say. trenches should keep me out of sight, get me closer to the radar. Close quarters, though. Better stay alert. Weapon's empty. Out of ammo. Can't find anything else.
Hat die 8-8er bei der letzten Bombardierung was getroffen?
Klar, mit ein paar mehr davon hätten wir bestimmt das gesamte Geschwader erledigt.
Ich schätze, die meisten machen wohl noch an der Ostfront die Russenpanzer platt.
Was? Hallo?
Moment mal.
It's time to move.
Mach die fertig! Los, los, los! Was sind Sie? Deine Kinder? Jetzt! Wo ist der? Wo ist der?
Machen Sie keine Gefangenen!
Achtung! Granate! Versteckt euch!
Time to go.
Zeig dich, du hinterhältiger Mistkerl. Komm raus.
Der Deutsche ist der beste Kämpfer der Welt. Vergessen Sie das nicht.
Granate ist raus. Bestechlich. In Bewegung. Los, los, los!
Guess I grabbed everything useful.
Na los! Wo bist du? Zeig dich!
I better move. Nothing else to find. I could use this SMG. Maybe if I can find the generators, I can disable the radar. A crowbar. Just what I need for sabotaging Nazi installations. A map of the area's anti-air defenses. I should pay these a visit. Generator's overloaded. Gotta find a breaker switch so I can fry the whole system. Radar is still under construction. Looks climbable. I could scale it and plant the charges.
Was? Wer ist da?
Taking out the supports will bring the radar down. Satchel charge on each of them should do the job. Don't want to be here when the last charge goes off. A well-placed shot in the ground might be the best way to trigger it.
Moment mal. Wer?
Taking out the supports will bring the radar down. Satchel charge on each of them should do the job. Don't want to be here when the last charge goes off. A well-placed shot from the ground might be the best way to trigger it. Radar's down. There's no way that's a quick fix for the Nazis.